Angela here, and today we're gonna tackle my personal addiction and most people's addiction, boba milk tea. Boba sounds so good right now. I want boba. Ooh, we should get some boba. You'd be surprised. Boba sounds good right now, right? If you're like me, you probably crave boba all the time, or probably get boba all the time. And then there was a point where I've actually got boba 3 times in one day, and so something caught in my head. I was like, why don't I just make my own? You gotta have boba after every meal. There's always room for boba. There's always time. There's never a place where it isn't inappropriate to have boba.
You gotta make time. This is important.
Like, honestly, it's a staple food item. If you don't know what boba milk tea is, it's basically milk tea with tapioca pearls. So milk tea is essentially brewed tea with some milk added to it, slightly sweetened, usually served with a type of topping. In this case, the most popular topping is tapioca pearls. You don't know what tapioca pearls are? These are what they are. Okay, so these are the tapioca pearls. They come vacuum sealed just like this. Okay, so when you open this, kind of dark, desiccated, powdered balls, they don't really have much to a smell to them. They're not exactly solid, like there's a little bounce to them, and then when you cook them, they expand. So you're probably wondering, what the F is this? Like, are these eggs? Like, what are these? Tapioca pearls, bubbles, boba, whatever you want to call them, are actually made of, surprise, surprise, tapioca. Now, most Westerners are familiar with tapioca pudding, which is like rice pudding but made out of these smaller tapioca pearls, and they're not really offensive looking because they're clear and they mix with the pudding. In this case, these are pretty in your face, like they're black, they're big. They're made out of tapioca starch, which actually derives from the cassava root. And basically, they take the starch with other different types of starches, they dry it out, and they compact it with some gelatin material. And then when rehydrated, they absorb the liquid and they become all jelly-like and delicious. If you haven't had pearls or tapioca before, I would suggest trying it out. I mean, yes, it looks weird, but the texture is jelly-like, chewy. It's fun to like eat. I don't know how else to explain it other than just try it if you haven't had it. So today I'm gonna share to you guys how to make boba milk tea. Okay, so I was on Amazon the other day and I found these cups. Oh my God, look how cute. They're mason jars with like this top with the hole and then a glass straw, and it comes with a cleaner, of course. And I'm just saying, like, how adorable and aesthetically pleasing are these? And then of course, I realized that the straw is not big enough for the pearls. So if you're a big boba drinker like me, they sell on Amazon a ton of different reusable boba straws. I cannot emphasize enough, if you're a big boba drinker, you're using a lot of plastic, maybe cut down on your plastic consumption and just bring your own container. They sell plenty of boba tumblers online and boba straws. In this case, my boba straw didn't come in the mail, and I wanted to film this video. So back to my previous boba run, I just took some extra straws. The component of boba, of course, is the tea. I have some black tea. You want to use a really strong black tea. I think what makes boba milk tea really delicious is when you could really taste the tea, and that's what I'm using. The milk component of it, you could use whatever milk you want. If you're not comfortable using half and half or a non-dairy creamer, of course you could use soy or almond. So I unboxed my tea and it comes with a red card, and look at this. Oprah Winfrey's favorite tea from this company. So this is Vadam. You could buy this on Amazon, and hey, Oprah approves, and whatever Oprah approves, you just gotta love it. That is the rule of this realm, this universe. Oprah say is final say. So now you want some boiling hot water. You want to carefully pour your pearls in there. Now this is very similar to like boiling like pasta. So you don't want to like fill it too much. And we're basically going to boil this for about, it's sort of like an al dente texture, very, like I said, very similar to boiling pasta. So just wanna, and they're gonna stick to each other, they're gonna stick to the bottom, so you wanna occasionally move them around. Okay, so now that your pearls are done, you wanna strain them, and then you wanna put it over a bowl so you can see that they're nice and bouncy and fully expanded. So you wanna get a bowl, empty, and we're gonna pour some brown sugar, like that, and then a cup of hot boiling water. And this is basically gonna create a syrup that's gonna cover the pearls and also sweeten your boba milk tea. So that's what's happening here. So we're just going to mix that up. And we're gonna let it soak, and we're gonna really let this cool down because it's hot, remember. So we don't wanna add a hot pearls to our cold drink. Okay, so now that we have all our components all aligned here, we got the pearls, we got our sugar syrup from the pearls, our brewed black tea, and our milk of choice. In this case, it's half and half, or you could use a non-dairy creamer like Cafe Mate. It's time to assemble. Thing is, first, we're gonna prep our glasses. So, move everything aside. We are gonna get our glasses. Now, if you're not using pearl milk tea, go ahead and use the regular straw. But since we're not, we aren't. So first, we're going to put a good amount of the pearls at the bottom of the glass. So like these. And how many you want is up to you. If you like a lot, you like a lot. If you don't like a lot, don't put a lot. All right, so that is that. And then we're gonna actually add, depending on the ice level you want, we're gonna pour our ice now. Okay, and then we're gonna put that aside. Now, ideally you want a martini cocktail shaker glass, but that is not what I have. But I do have a container that has a lid and I could shake things with, so that's what we're gonna do. So, first, we're gonna add some more ice. We're gonna pour, now, the syrup is up to you, depending on how sweet you want it. That's up to you. So I'm just gonna add maybe 2. Okay, we're gonna close the top and we're gonna shake it. And of course, our boba straw. And there you have it. Homemade boba milk tea.
Dear God, it's beautiful.
Okay, so here it is, our homemade pearl, boba, tapioca, bubble, whatever you want to call it, tea. So let's give it a try. Perfect. And this might be dangerous for some of you, and I know you're out there, those who get it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times a day maybe. This might be dangerous because this is freaking good. Like, this is really close. And the sweetness level is not too sweet. So perfect. You hear that? The tapioca pearls are nice and chewy and bouncy. It's the perfect drink, especially for summer coming around. All right, guys, if I gain more weight, we all know why. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love chewy things in your drink, like me. Or well, just me. I'll catch you guys later. Take care. Bye. Oh man. Oh, I'm in trouble now.